What if I told you it literally rains diamonds on other planets, deep inside the atmospheres of Jupiter and Saturn? The pressure is so intense that it turns simple carbon into sparkling gemstones. Lightning storms turn methane into soot, which hardens into chunks of graphite, and then, as it falls, transforms into solid diamonds. Some of these diamond hailstones could be over a centimeter in diameter. Scientists estimate that about 1,000 tons of diamonds are created on Saturn every single year. Imagine a storm where the rain is more valuable than gold. Subscribe to FactFlow for more cosmic mysteries.